If you think about a Rubik's Cube, it's a very difficult puzzle to solve. So today I'm going to talk about and I'm going to share an introduction to a Rubik's Cube. Yeehaw guys, and welcome back to my channel Magic Cubing. So before everything starts now, I really hope that you smash the 2 necessary buttons. Please choose to subscribe, like and share this video. So first of all, today I'm going to talk about a Rubik's Cube because I have been received many questions about what it is and how to use it, how is it formed, what color does it have, how many sides, what layer. So today we're going to answer all of these questions. So enjoy. As you see in this image, you can see there are 3 layers. And multiply these 3 layers, these 3 sides, you know that it has 6 layers. So each layer is formed by a corner, an edge, and another corner. There are 2 corners and 1 edge. So each side of the cube, the middle piece is called a center piece, or is called a center cap. So let's take a closer look on how we can reconstruction and construct a cube. Okay, here's a Rubik's Cube. In a Rubik's Cube, there are these 3 pieces in each layer on each side. So there are 6 sides, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors of a cube. So let's take a closer look. The corner is this piece over here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And an edge only has 2 corners. Okay, let's go on the middle of each side. This is called a center piece or center cap, which is mentioned a minute ago. So let's take apart this centerpiece and see what is it. A normal speed cube or any cube has a center cap, and the center cap covers this screw and spring. I'll cover that in my later video about speed cube. To fully understand how a cube works, you need to take apart the cube. Let me clean up it first. So this corner piece has 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. So it has this center piece over here. You can see 6 centerpiece. And each centerpiece can open. This is a center cap. Okay, so now you know the mechanics of a cube. Let's try to form it. So now I'm going to start repairing the cube. So enjoy. sorry guys. I'll put these things ahead. And sorry, forget to mention, I'm going to bring back a new cube by Magic has arrived, guys. So this is the Monster Cube. You can buy this from cubicle.com. I will leave it on the description below. So you can see a formed cube, and these destroyed cubes are completely different. So this is how a cube forms. Now you know how. So how does a cube work? It turns. You can turn from any layer. Okay. And you can just turn it like that. And if you don't need to speed cube, it turns very quick. Oh, I scrambled it. Okay, let me just do this for the video. So that's for the video, guys, and hope you enjoyed this introduction for this little thing here. Peace out.